Come on, Dolly. You see, now you have to talk to people in 2 minutes.
Good afternoon, comrades. Comrades all, comrades all. Comrades all. Our candidate has been duly nominated. Comrade Darso, we give up. Let me take the opportunity to thank all the external forces, people from St. Elizabeth, Manchester, Centre and Trelawney Town. Wherever you come from, comrades, we thank you very much for your support and we look forward to your continued support. We have to move because the greenhouse people